I'm going to show you this fish gum and how I like to cut it, how I like to use it. We're going to be using this rig that actually is one of our float rigs that I made. So I have this Pompalicious fish gum. Now, if I'm cutting this for a hook that does not have a float, I'll cut it either like in a piece about that big, or I may even cut it like triangular. It just seems like sometimes that works better in a triangle like this. We haven't tried sand fleas yet, so I'll pull a sand flea on here, so you're also gonna get how to hook a sand flea. So I'm gonna hook it through the tail, the underside through the tail and out through the back. And then I'm gonna just put this piece on here, like that. So you don't need a very big piece. And then with the float, what I'm gonna do something very different. So I'm gonna find a really small sand flea. So you can't pack this hook out too much. So small sand flea, hooking again through the tail as much as possible. I think I missed the tail that time, but that's all right. And what I do with the ones on the float hooks is different. So I'll cut a bigger piece, and then I will either cut this up into 4 small triangles. See, this bait lasts longer now. So now I have 4 pieces of bait from that one little square. And I'm gonna take this little triangle. See, what I don't wanna do, I don't wanna pack this out too much. I also don't want this piece of fish gum to hide that sand flea. If it's too big of a piece, it's gonna cover it. You're not gonna be able to see it at all. And that is what I do.